Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we're talking about the currency topic, and this is connected with directly with the earthquakes. Till now, basically we discussed that tomato actually created from 3 lakh planets, potato created from 3 lakh planets. Like this, each and every vegetables are created from this combination. That is 3 lakh multiplied by 1 lakh vegetables. So like this, the combination basically has created the one vegetable groups basically. That basically you can say as a uh, vegetables creation basically. You can say one universe basically, and that universe is basically with the combination of 3 lakh multiplied by 1 lakh. So 3 lakh planets and 1 lakh vegetables. So one vegetable created from 3 lakh, two vegetable created from 6 lakh, three vegetable created from 9 lakh. Like this basically you can just imagine basically. So 3 multiplied by 1 lakh, 4 multiplied by 1 lakh, 5 multiplied by 6, 7, 8, 20, 30, 100. Like this basically 1 lakh vegetables. So like this you can just imagine the combination basically of the planets basically which has created, and this everything is created basically. It's not like that basically it's not created. Each and every stories basically are generated. Earth planet basically have 900 crore people, right? So 900 crore people, that means you can just imagine the basically the metrics basically which are generated. 900 population, 900 crore, and 1 lakh vegetables and 3 lakh planets plus other combinations. This basically converted into small universe basically, which is already created with the basically in the sky basically. You can universe in the universe basically, and the entire combination is moving basically. So that is basically one matrix basically you can say which is created. Like this basically in the earth planet basically there are more than thousands of crore basically planet. Here basically we have just taken as an example of 200 crore planets which is basically moving. 200 crore planets groups basically is moving. Earth planet is one Earth planet is one planet. His group is this 1 lakh multiplied by 3 lakh. That is one group plus this 900 crore population basically. So this combination basically has created one set of planets group basically, and that is basically connected only to vegetables. Like this basically how many human needs basically has created here. Just see basically. So this has converted into one story basically you can say. For example, one person basically today has taken tomato, and he basically done lots of incidents. He basically told that for this incident only basically the USA is telling basically how many money the India has invested, because lots of process basically have to do. Lots of process have to basically do. So everybody basically are correct at their point of view basically. At their point of view, they are correct because they have know basically everything. So like this basically each and every country basically have their of point of view. So they also might be correct. So like this basically the each and every people basically have their own incidents basically. Like this basically, for example, one person basically, I will take one example basically that would be clear everything. One person eaten some tomato vegetable, tomato and potato vegetable, assume that basically. For that basically he woke up the morning, and then basically he had a roti sabji, and tomato sabji was basically with the tomato and vegetable, tomato and potato. He basically went to office. There basically he done the job, he done the lunch. In office basically he got one project. From the project basically he generated a few new ideas. That idea basically connected to some new energies. Like these things happened. Then basically he got to lunch. That time basically he had something other totally different lunch. That time basically then basically he came to office. Then basically again he done the job. matrix basically of potato and tomato is still there, and the other vegetable, other the fruit, other the other foods also basically joined that matrix. Again basically done the work, again few things basically got generated. Like this basically he created entire. Then basically he went to shopping evening time, then basically he generated there some matrix. He basically connected some foods in mall. Like this basically he done some his personal stuff basically. Then he went to a home, there basically he done some chatting, this he done the he basically have the YouTube channel, there basically also he generated something, some ideas. Like this basically 24 hours passed, right? Like this one human, like this basically there are 900 crore human basically, that data basically has generated, and it has converted into 1 lakh vegetables multiplied by 3 lakh planets. So from one vegetable 3 lakh planets has created, and vice versa also basically you can say 3 lakh planet basically created one vegetable. That's different point, that is another possibilities. Here this is two different possibilities. The possibility is one tomato basically created 3 lakh planets, that connects how 900 crore population basically are there from that matrix basically. So like this basically you can just imagine the things basically which is getting generated, and everything basically has generated everything. Like this basically assume that more than 300 crore planets generated with the help of this matrix basically, and the earth planet is moving with this matrix basically. That is the thing basically. So now basically the earth planet is moving with this 300 crore planet matrix. Energy is basically getting generated, planets basically are getting generated, planets are interacting with each other. Earth planet is taking his direction according to now his new creation has done. Old basically matrix was already there basically. Like this earth planet is moving, and like this basically this 5 crore data basically also came, that earth planet is going to move. This everything basically the planets which is created, that is going to help to earth planet movement basically. For the earth planet movement only basically the entire creation has done basically. Earth planet movement only basically the entire creation has done basically. So like this the earth planet movement happens, the earth planet is going to move to this area. So according to that the planet's creation has done, that is basically 5 crore population is basically going to create some matrix 100% that are also going to connect to some planets only. Then the matrix is going to create, then the earth planet is going to move to that side basically. Like this basically lots of matrix basically gets generates. Like this basically lots of matrix basically gets generated. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this matrix only in next video basically.